I know there are many different ways to profit, but today's method that I'll be showing you is so simple that you may have been doing it for quite some time now. And what I mean by this is watching videos. I know it may seem impossible, but it's actually possible for you to earn money simply by watching videos, and it all begins here. The first thing you must do is watch this video and stay with me until the end so that I can show you how. I'll also show you some bonus tips and other ways to double or even triple your income stream. This method is available in all countries and it's a completely free method. All you need is a phone or a computer to do it. It's also so simple that anyone, including beginners and people with no prior experience, can do it. If you're ready to do this, then sit back and watch the video. Don't skip any parts and pay close attention. But before we go further to this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Today's website is called Zoombucks.com, and on this website there are multiple ways to earn money, such as answering surveys, watching videos, and doing offers. This is a legitimate and trusted website because they will not only pay you, but they will also offer you gift cards from various big companies. Now, as I previously stated, there are multiple ways to profit, but for this video, we will solely focus on watching videos, because this is something you already do every day and will pay you the most with the least amount of work. Before we get started, let me walk you through the process and how you can earn money. First, you need to sign up and complete your profile, so this basically means that you need to make an account. Second, they have a wide range of channels with different content and select one that interests you. Third, you can start watching the videos, but don't forget that you need to watch the entire video to earn money. Fourth step, you will then start earning and accumulating points. Fifth, you can also have the option to switch between channels so that you can always find videos that you can watch. And finally, you can redeem your points as either in cash or through gift cards. As you can see, these are the free gift cards from the big companies that I mentioned earlier. It's that simple. Starting with the first step on the homepage, where you simply type in your email address and password, confirm it, and then click the Sign Up Now button. If you want to sign up faster, you can use your Google account or sign up with Facebook. So once you've signed into your account, you'll be able to see how much money you could potentially earn, as well as see how much money other users have already earned, which can range from $200 to $500. You can earn these amounts as long as you keep watching videos, and if you run out of videos, don't worry, because the available videos reset every single day. To get started, go to your dashboard and click on Watch, which is located beneath the website's name in large font. You will be sent to a page where you can see a variety of categories and videos with various topics such as cooking DIY or random videos, as well as how many points you can earn. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Once you click on any channel, you'll be taken to another sign-up page where you must fill out all of the required information in order to create an account. This is very important because if you do not sign up and register on that specific website, you will not be able to earn any money at all. Now for the bonus tip, you can watch multiple videos at once simply by opening and using other tabs. If you have a slow internet connection, you can simply lower the video quality. If you don't know how, click on the gear icon on the lower right corner of the video and select 144p. Don't worry, this will not affect the video's audio. So you don't have to worry because this will only lower the video's quality. Not only will this save your data and make the videos play faster, but it will also allow you to watch as many videos as you want without affecting the performance of your computer. That's all there is to it. And once you've accumulated enough points, you'll be able to convert them into cash or gift cards. As I previously stated, if you have more time and still believe you can accomplish a lot more, you may take surveys and earn anywhere from 85 cents to $5 and $10. Of course, you want to get the most points and money, so choose the ones that pay the most. And that's it! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.